First of all, let me talk about my assignation as a head coach. I know Mr. President for a long time, and I had a long time already, contacts. But this negotiations for a real to come to a contract is not so long ago. So we always had a good contact. We spoke easily about football in random, without even telling me you're going to be head coach, just about the new visionary things that Mr. Tahir had. And for the rest, it came just a few weeks ago that we really talked about a concrete thing. So that's first thing that I wanted to clarify. And first question. What was your first question? Because you said you had three questions on behind each other.
I believe it's about the approach to Australia and Bahrain coming up at home.
Yeah, everybody knows the importance of the games. I already said we play our 4 finals in a short period of time. So we need to make sure that everybody comes with a fresh mind to Indonesia to train well. And what I just said is that some players play more than other players. Some players need to train a little bit harder than other players. But we need to find a balance so that everybody's on the same level. Not only physically, but also in the mind, because the mind is very important. So also we are going to work on one of the most important matches. So we need to be 100% fresh in their minds and physically. And that's the most for the following games.
Untuk menjawab pertanyaan pertama, apa pertimbangan Coach Patrick untuk bisa bergabung sama timnas Indonesia dengan kapan ini terjadi sama PSSI? Coach Patrick sudah mengenal Ketua Umum PSSI Pak Erick Thohir sudah lama, tapi dari dulu mereka kalau ketemu ngobrolin sepak bola, tidak membahas apapun lah mengenai menjadi pelatih ataupun timnas. Tapi dalam waktu beberapa bulan terakhir mulai ada sedikit obrolan mengenai role ini, apakah dia tersedia, dan benar-benar ada kepastian adalah dalam beberapa minggu terakhir ini. Dan mengenai approach-nya untuk hadapi Australia dan Bahrain, yang pasti seperti tadi sudah dibahas bahwa match level fitness, kesehatan dan fisik pemain ini semua akan berbeda, tapi yang paling penting adalah mindset ya dari semua pemain pas sampai untuk menghadapi Australia, yaitu match pertama di bulan Maret tanggal 20, semua pemain harus di level mindset yang sama, di mana mereka udah punya target yang jelas, apa yang mereka harus lakukan bersama, dan walaupun mungkin ada yang lebih lelah, ada yang sudah main lebih dari yang lain, yang intinya untuk Coach Patrick yang penting mindset mereka semua harus di level yang sama. Terima kasih atas pertanyaannya, karena saat ini